Man, I love watching Lainey on the TV. It's so entertaining. Look at us, we got moves, yeah. I'm thirsty. I want to go get a drink. I'll just leave the remote right there. There's Roxy taking a nap. She needs it. Oh well. I'm gonna go get a drink. Here, let me just grab that sippy cup. Here, move this hat out the way. This hat. It's Penny's hat. Move this hat. Just gonna put it there. Okay, let me grab that sippy cup. Perfect. I got it. Close that up. All right, now I need to fill this up with water. Come here, you. All right, let's go. Hee hee. That's enough. Hee hee, I have an idea. I know what I should do. I'm going to see if I can drink this water as fast as I can. Gosh, I'm a genius. Whoops. Whoopsies. Here, let me grab that. Whoops. That's the good stuff. No way, I actually drank that entire thing. Wow, that is impressive of me. Wow. Now that's what I call pure talent. What was that? Anyway, as I was saying, now that's what I call pure talent.
Bruh.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Don't tell me. Big jump. Ooh, there we go. I did it. Oh, no. I need Tamira's help. I need Tamira's help. Tamira, I need your help. Where is she? I think she's downstairs. Here, let me go see where she is. Tamira, I need your help. Tamira, I need your help. Come on, Spike. Winter wrap-up is an annual tradition. Tamira. Ugh, what does she want? What is it, Eleanor? I'm trying to read a book to Tilly and you're being very disruptive. What is it? I really need your help. Let me guess. You have yes, I know. I have the hiccups. I know what they are. Wait, really? Yes. How did you even get the hiccups? I don't know. Earlier I was drinking my water super duper fast and then I just randomly got the hiccups. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me stop you there. You were drinking your water really, really fast. Yeah? So that's how you got the hiccups. No. That's definitely not how I got the hiccups. Yes it is, Eleanor. That is exactly how you got the hiccups. Ooh, can I help you too, Tamira? Oh, unfortunately, Tilly, you don't really know how to cure hiccups, but I guess you can help me out. Oh, okay, Kitty. You're such a good big sister, Tamira. Thanks, Tills. I wish you were my sister, but at least you're my cousin. At least you still get to come over to visit. Yeah, I like to come over to visit. Yeah, and I like it when you come over to visit. Mwah. Anyways, Eleanor, here, let me help you cure your hiccups. Tilly, this book is gonna have to wait. Okay, I come with you. Yeah, I guess you can come. All right, Eleanor, I'm going to help you cure your hiccups. One way how people normally cure their hiccups is sometimes they hold their breath, like this. Really, Tamira? You really think that's gonna help me cure my hiccups? All right, I guess I'll do it. Ooh, that looks funny. That looks funny. Oh, wait a minute. Tamira, I think it worked. You think? Yeah, I think so. I think it worked. Oh, dang it. It didn't work. Okay, well, we're gonna have to try something else. Like what? I don't know. Actually, I do know. Here, come to the kitchen with me. I'm coming. Wait for me, I have widow eggs. Okay, Eleanor, another way we can cure your hiccups is you could drink some more water. Really, Tamira? First of all, I don't think that's gonna help. And second of all, that's literally what got me into this mess in the first place. Yeah, I know, but maybe it can help. You know what they always say. Sometimes water can be useful. That is not a saying, Tamira. Well, it kinda is. Well, not really. I don't think it's an actual saying. Anyway, I'm not drinking that water. That's just gonna give me more hiccups. No, it's not. Just drink the water. Okay, fine. All right, here goes. And if this water gives me more hiccups, that's gonna be your fault because you told me to drink it. All right, here we go. Done. Dang it. Eleanor, you drank the water too fast. Again. Oops. Okay, Eleanor, this time it's your fault you got more hiccups. You literally just got more hiccups because you drank the water too fast. Again. You gotta be kidding me. How long is this gonna last? Well, until we can figure out how to fix it. Hold on, let me see if I can think of anything else. So you holded your breath, which did not help. You drank some water, which made the situation worse. So now, what have we not thought of yet? Well, sometimes scaring people helps cure hiccup. Eleanor, you're a genius, that's it! We have to scare you to cure your hiccups. Wait a minute, you think that's gonna work? Yes, it will. We have to scare you to cure your hiccups. Because normally it helps a lot. Here, I'm going to see if I can scare you. All right then. Hope it works. Okay, I'm praying for this to work. And if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna faint. Can't even finish my sentence without hiccuping. Because honestly, it's ridiculous. I'm praying for this to work. Boom. Ah! Tamira, that wasn't very nice. Ow, my head. Ugh, you scared me. Eleanor, can't you see I'm trying to help you? I'm trying to cure your hiccups here. Well, yeah, I know, but I don't think sneaking up on me would help. Maybe it did help. Okay, let's see if my hiccups are cured. Let me see. I think it worked. You think? Yeah, of course. Dang it! Oh no, it didn't work. Maybe we gotta think big. Think of something scarier. We gotta think outside the box. No, Tamira. You have to think inside the box. Right in the center of the box. Nah, I think we should think outside the box. Really, Tamira? Okay. That is enough. Eleanor, what's your biggest fear? And please don't tell me it has anything to do with your bestie or your boyfriend. Make sure it has nothing to do with any of those guys. What is your biggest fear? My biggest fear is... well, I am afraid of spiders. That's one of my biggest fears. But Eleanor, what's your biggest fear? Spiders. Perfect. That means we need to scare you with a spider. Wait, but we can't just search for spiders. We can't search for actual spiders. That'll take forever. Ooh, I got it. Hee. Come on, Eleanor. Let's go upstairs. I'm coming. Wait up. Are you coming, Tills? Yeah, I'm coming. All right, come on, let's go. All right, Tamira, we're upstairs. Now what? Okay, first of all, I'm glad your biggest fear has nothing to do with your bestie or your boyfriend. And second of all, what we're gonna do is... Hang on, I'll be right back. Oh, okay. Eleanor, look, there's a spider! Ah! No, get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! Wait a minute. That's not a spider. That's just a piece of paper. It's a drawing of a spider. Tamira, that wasn't very nice. Eleanor, can't you see I'm trying to help ya? Yeah, I know, but still, that was not nice. Ugh, why is nothing helping? I don't want to have hiccups forever. Come on, there's got to be something that works. Yeah! Ugh, Roxy, you scared me. Ugh, that wasn't nice. Why do you all keep scaring me? Haha, take that, Eleanor Wooza. You got so scared. Why did you do that? When somebody has a scream as ridiculous as that, why wouldn't I? You should have seen your face. Loser. Rude. Eleanor, wait, I think your hiccups are cured. Huh? Really? Wait. They are! Oh my god! I can't believe it! Yay! This is the best day ever! Thank you so much, Roxy! You're the best! I love you so much! Thank you! What? What did I do? What? Get off me. What are you doing? What did I do? You cured my hiccups! Oh my god, you're the best! Thank you! Oh, okay. Everybody likes me. I'm good. Eleanor don't have hiccups no more. Finally. We got those out of the... What was that? Oh no. Tamira, don't tell me. Oh no. Roxy, go get her. Roxy, please no. Heavens, that was loud. But at least my hiccups are cured.